If you don't do this one setting, then anyone can access control center on lock screen. Now currently you can see my phone is locked and I'm able to open control center. Now you might be thinking, what is the problem if anyone can access control center on lock screen? Then let me tell you that suppose if your phone gets stolen and if they are able to access control center on lock screen, they can easily put your phone on airplane mode or silent mode. So in order to avoid such problems, you can disable control center access on lock screen. First of all, unlock your phone, go to settings option and look for Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode. Select that option, enter your passcode and go ahead. Now on this particular page, if you go down, you get an option of allow access when locked. In that, you have an option of control center. The toggle is on right now. We have to turn it off. After turning off this option, if I go to lock screen, you can see my phone is locked. This time I'm not able to open control center. So in terms of security, this is a good option because even if my phone gets stolen, no one can open control center and they won't be able to put my phone on silent mode or airplane mode. So yes, if you don't know about this setting, please do it right now. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.